How to make lollipops. Making lollipops at home can be a fun and rewarding process. Here's a basic recipe for homemade lollipops. Lollipops are a delicious addition to the old-fashioned hard candy maker's repertoire. Lollipops are also known as suckers, lollies or sticky pops. Step 1. Gather the ingredients and items needed before starting. Have everything in place. Step 2. Measure the flavoring. Depending on whether you're using 3 or 4 flavorings, measure thirds or quarters in a measuring jug. Step 3. Pour the sugar and glucose into the saucepan. Add 150 ml/1/4 pint of water. Gently heat and stir well to ensure that the sugar dissolves. Step 4. Add the measured coloring to the syrup. Bring to the boil, then cover and boil for another 3 minutes. Step 5. Remove the cover. Boil until the temperature reaches 130 degrees Celsius per 265 degrees Fahrenheit, the hardball stage. Step 6. Remove the syrup from the heat. Separate quickly into 3 or 4 batches. Pour in the chosen flavoring for each batch. Step 7. Using a soup spoon or a dessert spoon, drop small, round shapes of syrup onto the parchment-covered tray. Carefully add a lollipop stick to each round, covering with a little more syrup if needed. Step 8. Allow to cool and harden. Carefully remove them from the parchment paper. Wrap in clear cellophane or stick into a lollipop holder and they're ready to be shared around or given away as a gift. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.